Welcome to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of 3D printing. Today, we are diving into the diverse range of 3D printers available to meet every need from hobbyists, eager to create unique models, to professionals requiring robust equipment for advanced projects. 3D printing has opened a gateway to endless possibilities, allowing anyone to bring their ideas to life with unprecedented precision and ease. In the realm of 3D printers, several types stand out due to their unique advantages. FDM printers, for example, are popular for their cost-effectiveness and ability to use a variety of filament types, such as PLA, ABS, and PETG. They're ideal for both beginners and experienced users looking to produce durable parts with different mechanical properties. SLA printers, on the other hand, are renowned for their ability to produce highly detailed prints. Utilizing laser technology, they cure resin layer by layer, offering smooth finishes suitable for intricate designs and models. For those seeking even more precision and capability, SLS printers rely on laser sintering technology to fabricate complex structures without the need for support materials, making them ideal for industrial applications. Don't forget about the various resin types available for 3D printing, each catering to specific needs. Standard, flexible, high-temperature, and castable resins offer different characteristics that can influence the outcome of your projects significantly. As you embark on your 3D printing journey, our platform offers extensive resources to guide you in selecting the right equipment. From detailed guides and informative articles to customer reviews, we ensure you have all the information needed to make informed decisions. Thank you for joining us today. If you're ready to unlock new possibilities with 3D printing, browse our offerings and let your creativity take flight. Stay tuned for more insights and happy printing. https://3d-printers.secureonline.store